So the Sobel SV06 Plus, this is called a SSP Lighthouse. This is the filament that they shipped with their file. I'd say it's pretty decent print, you know. This is actually lightning infill. They did the benchy and lightning infill also. I guess somebody's getting creative out there. This was about 2 hours for the benchy. Not bad results. Windows look good. I had a little Z-axis movement when I was printing the benchy, you know, and I suppose if you ran corner to corner, you'd have probably a half a twist on your Z-axis because I didn't this self-leveled. I didn't, you know, square out the axis like I should, but I was trying to get a user experience out of this. So I'm gonna tune the frame in a little bit better so I don't have any Z-axis movement while I'm printing. I don't like that. But anyways, all in all, pretty good print. Simple to set up this machine. Probably good for newbies. No problems yet. No problems yet, people. Put a little bit of the grease that they provided on the axles. Pretty sturdy frame, pretty sturdy. I think this is going to be a good machine. These bearings are a little chunky, but maybe they're just tight. I don't know. Not making any noise. They just feel like they just feel a little bit tight. All right, people. Like I said, I don't know if I'm gonna stress this out or not. I might do a stress print before I leave for China. We'll see. I'm gonna square up the frame a little bit, and then yeah, maybe we'll do one of my famous prints. Take care. Happy printing.